Gave my homie out today for domestic violence. I try to picture myself from this position, but it makes sense. I keep on thinking about the shit we're being do. Your clothes like king, but you remain my friends too. This life scene. You'll get a both of us in trouble, but you always stay down for a nigga. I love you. Woman isn't in the tissue, fighting over child, she's a swag, I love you, but without you, okay. So are you on my pursuit? My guys start pitching you, always in the mood for love, so I'm sleeping with you. You're not the man of your dream, I'm playing to reach like a king. I live my life trouble free. I see, yesterday I called you names, I'm playing games on your mind. I promise, girl, I change in time. It's a complicated world, so girl, just be a friend, I promise.
Come on here. Jesus! Can you never do this?
Uncle Therefor, uncle.
What an hour? You go back on Uchi. What do you think? I don't know what you put.
Yeah, make that my passion. I love music, so I want to do music for a living. Only like yeah or no.
Chai! It's your name music.
Yes,
Your papa carry you, say make you come back from village, come help me. Since when you enter this village, you don't touch anything. Okay. Every day back, you gotta make a passion. You passion of Christ. Music, passion of Christ. You will not allow me to rest.
Uncle just we go no more obelend. Meet them Oko 2 yeah like yeah. I'm my guy studio and I'm my guys so link up by 8 p.m. Okay, lot time me yeah like the music so bad you can just come in there the king of fear. Okay, lot time me uncle. After all the days of getting here, me, I ain't tripping, man. I'm a G. I got some cool bitches on my D. This is me. I'm representing top niggas on the street. You know what I'm saying?
Continue.
Uncle, where they go doing Didi? Uncle, be 8. I link up in a studio, my guy. Uncle, a lot of time me. Just, yeah, I like the Ego and Aba International and you know what? Okay. West Street, okay, a lot of time. Finally, the girls be hating on me, but I ain't giving a damn shit cause I'm a G, I got a queen, the girl tripping, this is me. Child! Dog niggas on the street. Uncle Soba, they all got 8. You got balling on phone, guy, look up. You know what?
Hey! Anthony Mona. Erebe nwanyi ogoja. O ishiri ga kote nwanyi ogoja ya bia nga luhara ibombo. Ngwana shit. Give me a kote ka nda broke no chanja that time. Jesus! Ngwana shit. Okay. Iga ba mamre very soon. So shit. Magaba de mamre gi pomo nyoshi. You know they do anything from you. Since when I carry and come back for this village. Na social music ya goro baiga na latrine. Ya goro baiga ni moya. Nusukutu ona aga fende mmadụ na-ele dị ka onyara. In don kolo. Ona hodo kwa. Room where they sleep, you know, he hardly sweep.
Oh, mumu not too
if you wake up in the morning, go chop, you go to keep a plate for me.
Jesus!
You know what, Uncle Yo? Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe.
Jesus is Lord.
Got you later.
Kuna wago mad because I want to back here. Hey, Chineke na legote nwanne nwoke siri kwata aka tiere ọkụkọ aki. Dị 9 months mmadụ. Elebe nwaanyị ogoja chiri gbuto. Ọkụlụ wo. Kuna wago wuu. Hey. Here wara.
She what?
Ka polara. Ku bo tap jege ni hem ga-eme wo. Ọkwara o. Okay. Ni hem ga-eme nwatakịrị. Ọkụlụ yo. I have to go to the market in the end now. Uncle Yo. Chai. Okay. Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe.
Funka.
Uncle Joe. Yeah, I'm just making some music, you know what I'm saying?
Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe. I want to work with Joe. Yeah, man. I'm just gonna make some music. Yeah, man. Uncle Joe. Hey, Joe. Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe. I'm no mouth. Okay, no mouth. Uncle Joe! Uncle Joe! Uncle Joe! Uncle Joe! Look at the side here. Let's make some music. Let me see my side here. Uncle Joe! Joe! Uncle Joe! One name okay, Joe! Uncle Joe! Joe! Uncle Joe! Joe!
Jesus is Lord.
Uncle Joe! One name okay, Joe!
Photo. Not be
Uncle Joe! Yes, Joe!
Here is God.
Hey, Uncle Joe! Uncle Joe!
Here is God.
Continue.